Today's video is actually going to be a very simple video. I don't know if many people have done this, but I am going to let the air intake breathe a little better today. Gonna have a little more air going to it. For those who don't know, I do have a new speed P-Flow intake in my GTI, and I'm going to actually push more air into it with a very simple mod. Let me go get that. Oh my god. Never mind, I found it back in front of the Civic, and this is a MK7 air duct block off plate. These are the two screws that came with it. I have no idea how to put it on. It bolted in. Oh my god. Let's get to it. So what I'm gonna do right now is actually kind of grab some sound clips of what the intake sounds like. Hopefully the camera can catch it. Alright, so block off plate. I looked at it, I tried to fit it. Well, I have to take off the air duct. Let's do that. What I think is I need to unbolt two bolts to kind of unclip the air duct and then just screw on the two pieces. I don't know. Legit, I don't think there's a video on any of this, so let's do this. Alright, so it was latched onto here, and there's a T25 bolt right here. I undid this and I just poked them out, and now this entire thing is loose. Man, that was really simple. I'm not gonna say anything. Let's get back to doing this. Make sure you take off this hose so you don't actually yank something you don't want to break. There we go. Takes off. I don't think anything else is in here. Yep, there we go. Super simple. Here is the air duct. As you can see, as I showed you earlier, the duct that goes straight through, I'm basically blocking off this entire back piece. And then there's nothing here. People drill this out. And honestly, that's basically it. It's a super simple mod. I forgot how much it costed because I legit bought this mod around the same time I bought the AeroVap spoiler. So it's been a while, but alright, back of the thing, block off plate. It should just clip on if this is correct. Yeah, super clean, it just clips on. From what I recall, this is all on the European models, but for some reason, American models don't have this. Don't know why. Makes more sense, pushes more air into the intake, and doesn't really do anything else. This is a legit OEM piece from Volkswagen too. So, now just take the self-tapping screw, Oh, I gotta. I'm dumb. I have to drill some holes. Of course, my drill isn't. Hello.
What are you up to?
Drilling some holes. Cause I don't have anything else right now. Cause my friend has all my shit. You know, I was saying how smooth this video was going. Like you didn't get up. Yeah. Again. Please find something better. No, Dad. This is my spare drill.
Can't you charge it?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I don't know what to do now.
No, you just have me here doing nothing.
Technically, I don't need that to drive. No, wait, it's gonna be dangling around. I can't even drive the damn car.
Oh, that thing?
I'll go kill some time.
Yeah, it's near here.
There's Eggets.
Oh yeah, let's go to Aiken.
Alright. Alright, anyways. Gotta take a break because I gotta let the battery for the drill charge. I really need to get my drill back from Randy. For some reason, I like never use it when I have it, but when I need it, I don't have it. I don't know how that works. We're headed to Eggets, gonna get some boba.
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 Okay, it's better than the other paper straws. The ones that suck even more.
Yo.
This is how bad it is. You need to like... You just need to kind of... Wow, that did not... That did not go through at all. Oh my god. Okay. Let's try this.
Can you help? Yo.
Before I draw out 2 holes and fuck myself. Let's just hope this works. Okay. I'm gonna stick this in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. That actually worked. This is the right bit? I'm very surprised.
You know, maybe because I'm here.
Yeah, thank you. Unlike every other f***ing time where I get screwed. Believe. Alright, 2's back. This is all sturdied in. Let's see how it sounds like. Okay.
Where are we actually going?
Up and down the block.
Holy shit. Might not be as stable.
Huh. Honestly, I think it's like so minute that you can never tell for like your entire life. Block off plate. Is it useful? Maybe. Does it work? Possibly. Well, technically if all the air is flooding through here and not going to the engine bay and just going straight to the intake, it should produce more power because all the air is flowing to the intake. I don't know how true that is. People do cut holes here and like make even more holes, more air to go in. So if I do that one day, but today it was just that one simple little mod. It took longer than it should have because, you know, I don't have my usual drill. And the drill I'm using now is the really old one that's really extra shitty. Yeah. Well, anyways, like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you disliked it. Subscribe.
Notification.
Thanks, Game Theory. Bye!